My name is Ryan Friedlich. I'm currently the Acting Commissioner of the Division of Public Safety in Sullivan County. Prior to this, I held the rank of detective at the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office, where I started and held the position of overseer of the drone division.
My name is Deputy Michael Barrett with the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office, and I'm a Deputy UAS pilot.
The drone division was started approximately 8 years ago. So the reason that we started the drone division was to kind of assist, and not necessarily replace, but the use of manned aircraft. The ability to get an aircraft with camera and thermal cameras up in the sky quicker and cheaper than calling for a helicopter or even a fixed-wing aircraft is a huge benefit, and cost savings, time savings, and in this line of work, every minute counts.
At the time, one of our detectives who was in charge of the drone program we were starting up asked if anyone was interested, and I was one of 6 people to be interested, and they put us all through the class and put us on the team.
Incidents that we deal with and utilize the drone for would be a wide variety of search and rescue, warrant service with the emergency services unit, crowd overwatch at large events, concerts. We'll do some photograph and video for the county for promotional video. I mean, it's just a whole wide variety that we utilize them. Reoccurring, I would say that we quite frequently use them for search and rescue and warrant services with the SWAT team.
I do a lot of drone demos to show to the public. We recreate accident scenes with our drones, taking aerial photos to try and have a better understanding of what actually happened with fatal motor vehicle accidents. Do a lot of search and rescue. We have a lot of hiking trails in our area. We're very rural. So we do search for people an awful lot. We assist fire departments. If they have a structure fire and they need aerial views, we can get them aerial views. We have IR on all of our drones, so we can show them hot spots if they need to hit.
So when we learned that we didn't necessarily need to focus on just distance with flight, that we needed to also have a drone be able to stay up for hours at a time, it was really with the large concert venues. We have 18,000 person concert venue that we would prefer to have an aerial video and cameras going for the length of the concert, and this gives us the ability to have it up for 4 or 5 hours at a time or longer if we needed. Any events that happen, street fairs, just overwatch on a crime scene, or provide lighting, quick deployment of let's say a light tower, or just, like I said, overwatch. We'll also utilize it for radio relay, so a radio repeater up in the sky. So the reason that we went with a tether over just procuring a number of batteries, it was just uptime, right? Being able to keep it up 24 hours at a time if need be, without any amount of downtime, minimal manpower, have someone there to keep an eye on the drone, but also be able to complete other tasks, not having to have the hands on the controller the entire time and having to swap the batteries and then charging the batteries. This just set it, launch it, and check on it periodically, and it gives us 100% uptime.
At least with us, it is beneficial to have the ability to move our drones and also to keep them stationary. We do, like I said, we do a lot of search and rescue. Some things may require us to stay stationary. We might even be able to move from spot to spot, but how we have been setting up our patrol cars is to utilize that. We can actually set up, hover, and we can stay airborne for an hour, 2 hours, because there's a lot of land out here.
So the qualifications that we were looking for when seeking some kind of tether system was portability, easeability, getting it set up quick, and not providing or not needing an unusual amount of power supply, right? And that kind of goes to the portability. What methods can we power this device with? Can we power it off of an inverter in the car, a generator, a battery, a larger battery inverter? So having that ability to be able to power this small portable device that one person can set up was a huge factor in our decision.
If we don't have the tether system, we have I would say about a 30-minute flight time before we have to land, change batteries, go back up. And in certain instances, like if we are looking for someone, escapee, we had one not too long ago. We luckily had 4 drone operators sitting in one spot so we could separate, we could cover more of an area. And when one person came in, another person would take our spot to hold where we were. We would go back up, take their spot, and they would come back and land. It was like we worked together very well. But to be able to have something to watch us would be very beneficial.
One of the features that we utilize this drone for, or the tether system for, and I would say the majority of it, is attaching a radio system. So we have a minute radio system in the county, which we can put on top of the drone, launch it on the tether, and we can get a radio 200 to 300 feet up in the air, which acts as a relay and extends our coverage exponentially. And on top of that, just being able to hook a regular radio repeater up to it. It's a quick deployment. It's a one-man deployment, and it gets us up a lot higher than just a traditional tripod tower. So the use of just being able to extend our area of operation. In our area, it's a very dense forest. RF is very hard to transmit in this area. So being able to throw a radio up in the air to 200-300 feet, it extends the area of operation exponentially. The reason that we would deploy a radio up on a tethered drone is in the event of a search and rescue incident, we're able to deploy ground units, these radios, and it would give us the ability to extend that range. And where normally with just ground units, you'd have less than half of that coverage. So it's very beneficial to us to be able to put one up on an aerial platform and have it running for hours at a time. These searches can take days, weeks. So being able to have that uptime, for 24 plus hours at a time, and being able to extend that and ensure good communication with our ground units, and being able to relay pertinent information, whether it be pictures or videos or text messaging or just simple audio, is a very crucial point of our operation. So the real benefit of an agency that may be on the fence of getting some drones would be something that I touched on earlier, just cost factor compared to a manned aircraft, the speed factor of just being able to get something up within minutes. The cost factor of a drone is minimal compared to helicopters or planes. So being able to deploy 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drones to your patrolmen and have them on scene right away with a drone up in the air, being able to either search or locate missing individuals, it's a game changer. It really is. Being able to have eyes on your ground units, being able to relay information just beyond their visual sight is amazing and could save someone's life. And it has in our county. Just being able to transmit what I see, what people on the ground can't, within minutes is invaluable.